You might not like this, but I know you've been thinking about throwing away your stainless steel pans because everything sticks to them. The truth is that the problem is not stainless steel, it's the fact that you bought cheap, crappy pans. Now, a basic 3-ply pan is gonna heat up way too fast in the center. That's gonna scorch your oil, it's gonna weld your food to the metal before it even has a chance to cook. So this company called Made In said, let's make them a little bit different. And they said, let's do a 5-ply stainless steel pan. Now, these are engineered with 5 distinct layers of heavy gauge clad metal, including that aluminum alloy core that's going to extend all the way up the sides. Now, believe it or not, having that extra wall thickness is going to hold a completely steady temperature, so that way the metal expands properly, and it's going to create a natural non-stick release once a proper crust forms on the meat. So you're gonna get a nice deep sear for rich pan sauces, full induction compatibility, and a lifetime warranty, so you never have to deal with warped metal ever again. Now, these don't go on sale very often, but they are running a discount just for a short time. So if you wanna build real flavor and be able to sear food properly without tearing it to pieces, I'll put a link right down here in the video so you can.